gathering. Please, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, I am Mrs. Rose Ayang Ekpo.
Okay,
Yes.
your designation.
Okay, I am the forest officer in charge of Ikwesa, Ekperem, and Owai.
Okay. Can you tell us briefly why we are here?
Okay, we are here because we have passion for the nature, You know, if you look around us, you see that so many things are happening, even including the climate change. See this period that we're supposed to have enough rain, the rain is not there. You see a lot of things are happening. We have a lot of gully erosion, our streams are drying. So we are here just to raise a nursery. Why are we raising the nursery? We are raising the nursery to enable us to fill all the degraded areas. Either the ones that have been sown by timber dealers or the ones that are being borne by farmers. So that is why we are here to raise the nursery. We can even use the nursery as an ornamental trees, although they are indigenous species, by putting them along the roadside, so that in the heat of the season, as you are moving, you will not get tired. The trees will be helping to shade you. They help in beautifying our environment. So that is why we are here to raise nursery.
Okay, you raised some important issues while having the training inside.
Okay.
Like the factors and all that. Can you just give us, just give us some of those things you recommended?
Okay. One, I said in raising a nursery, you have an objective in your mind. You have already set up your goal. Why did you want to raise this nursery? And what kind of species did you want to raise? For what purpose? Either there are some trees that you raise that will give you fruit, either some trees that you raise that will give you timber, either some trees that you raise just for shading purpose to boost the ecosystem,
Okay.
or to fill degraded areas, or you just like walking around the nursery. That is why you are raising the trees. And then you have set the objective. One, you now go again. Have you gotten a place where you want to raise them? And what kind of species did you want to raise? All these things you have to put them into consideration. Either you want to plant them, you want to use your trees as a watershed management, because a lot of our streams have lost, a lot of our animals, they have gone. You know, these trees as they are, some animals feed on them. All the animals doesn't feed on a particular tree. Some have their special trees which they feed on. And if those trees are no longer available in the forest, they go on extinction.
Okay.
So, and even the trees themselves, they go on extinction. So that is why we are raising the nursery to fill the gaps of those ones that are no longer in large quantity.
Okay, what's the message to the participants?
The message to them is that when they are talking about deforestation does not only that goes on timber exploitation, but farming activities. Farming activities consume the land more. As a timber dealer, you can come and extract the mature tree and allow others to grow. But as a farmer, you will clear fell everything, even go on excavating the ground that will cause erosion. And some of the areas where these activities are happening, you can't even see anything good there again. The ground itself will erosion. You will see erosion in the ground. Even crops, in few years to come, they don't even do well. Even the very crops that they are clearing this farm for, at times they don't even do well.
Okay.
So what I am advising them is that it is not only one, it is not good for one to depend on a particular business. These nursery activities can help you to generate the revenue that you want. Like yesterday, I was telling them about a tree they call Rhicinodendron hedoliti. The seeds are being consumed in the other side of the Akamkpa. The Igbos are hunting for them. They use it as spices for food. So some of those things, they should ask questions various so that they can have knowledge on those things, so that they can go after them and reduce the activities of the forest, which is giving us life. Because it's because of lack of knowledge that is making everyone to believe that life is only in the forest. But I am telling them that life is not only in the forest. You can raise your bush mango and you sell it out. You can pick those things, those trees, and go outside there, you see buyers. You can see a lot of research that will help us to live. Or you can even be raising like this. We were taught about small scale nursery. Small scale nursery that involves raising of okra, vegetables of different types that can be giving you food seasonally.
Okay. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you.